Hey, this is Audi A7 and I'm going to show you how to enter the hidden diagnostic menu in the instrument cluster. So over here on the right you have the daily trip reset button, and over here you have the ignition on, the engine start stop button. So what I'm going to do is press and hold over here while turning on the ignition. To turn on the ignition, just press this button without touching the brake and we will see what will happen on the display. And you can see that we have some diagnostic information from the instrument cluster, the Kombi instrument, as it's called in German. We have the coding. If you use diagnostic interface, you can check that this string of values is the coding from the module 17, which is the instrument cluster. We have the Teilnummer, which is the hardware part number. If you need to replace, for example, this module, here's the part number that this hardware is described with. We have the producer, the hardware version, the software version. We have the date of the last, coding or adaptation or programming, something like that, if it was updated, and some other information about the components of this device. And to exit this menu, you can just turn off the ignition, or I believe press pretty much anything on the steering wheel that controls the display, and you will be back over here. So that's it.